If you like our video, click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses and training materials, visit us at teachucomp.com. Forms can have different functions within an Access database. You can use forms to create navigation forms in Access where users can click buttons that perform different actions like opening other forms and reports. However, Access forms are primarily used as data entry forms that allow users to enter and edit table data. When performing data entry within forms, users enter information into form fields associated with data fields in a linked table. The data is then stored in the tables just as if you had entered the data into the datasheet view of the table. Using data entry forms in your database simplifies and streamlines data entry. It also provides more security for the table data than allowing a user to do data entry directly into the table in datasheet view. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. Get ad-free courses at teachucomp.com.